Welcome back. If you are here, then I guess you've already watched the previous video, which is on looking for non-teaching jobs in New Zealand. Now, this video will talk about the websites you can use to find non-teaching jobs in New Zealand. I will take my time to go through about 4 websites, and then it will guide you on your personal journey to New Zealand.
So the first option will be seek.co.nz. And the reason why I prefer it to be the first is the biggest job site. You can search for jobs by sector, location, and it's visa friendly. You simply type in the job title, for example, disability support worker. You can choose the city and filter by full time. And it's first placed, most employers also put jobs up. So let's go in and have a look. Now this is Seek. It comes up here, select Seek. Now, as you go in, you would have to register. I'm already registered, so I just logged in as Abigail. Now, what type of job are you looking for? Classification, and then you enter the town. Let's say support worker. Support worker, that's an option. Classification and which area. You can decide to put that in or you can leave it. Yeah. Let's say government, support worker for government or healthcare and medical. Yeah. Which area do you want to live in? You can leave it like that. You can select all of New Zealand. You can choose maybe Wellington, Auckland, or anywhere you want to be. We will choose all of New Zealand. Now let's enter. Let's see. So this actually gives you a lot of options. You have youth worker in Auckland, and it comes up with the name of the company, the location. It could be hybrid as well. So it tells you whether it's face to face, whether it's full time, part time. It's all available. Let's just click on this one and see. And we have youth worker in Auckland. So which area does it fall under? Healthcare and medical, psychology, counseling and social work. It's full time. And when was it posted? Just 22 hours ago. So it tells you about the company. So here, details about it. The job summary is also available. And is this you? So it talks about who you are, what they are looking for, if you think you fit into the company culture, and then you go in. At times, they have some other requirement, and some of the requirements normally they are listed. So you need to have a full driver's license here, first aid certificate also here, and it tells you what the company offers. So as you go through, you can see what they also offer. And they even have their website, their YouTube link as well, so you can play and see what the company is all about. Okay, so I always come to Seek if somebody is interested in looking for a job. This is where I normally come to. Next on my list is trademe.co.nz jobs. Okay. So, Trade Me Jobs is great for trades, construction, hospitality, and rural jobs. So, employers here often post local jobs, very easy local regional roles, and you can apply directly. It is perfect if you are looking for any hands on role or entry level positions to just apply from Trade Me. Now, let's see. So as you go to Trade Me, you have the job section. That's where we are going to. They've got the keywords. Let's say you were a nurse. You put in nurse. And you can choose the category or you can leave it. Let's say healthcare. Let's go healthcare. All. You select all. Now all of New Zealand for location or search jobs. Okay, so here it comes up with different categories as well for you. Is it nursing and midwifery, doctors and specialists? So you can choose whichever area works for you. Now let's look at the results. So registered nurses are in need, vet nurse, registered nurse again. Yeah, several. Okay, let's open one of them and then just have a closer look. Now the location it's available is in Otago. It is part-time, is contract, and then the rates are competitive. Yeah. So you'll be working in various care facilities. The hours of work are also listed here, casual on call. And yeah, you must be registered and you need to be you have to be a New Zealand citizen or resident or have open work conditions. So that helps. You must have a current NZ driver's license. Okay. Now let's see. Apply now. So these jobs, if they are asking for NZ residents and you don't have that kind of visa, then it's not appropriate for you to apply. You can look elsewhere, other jobs which will give you visas. So always take your time, have a look at the requirements, and then you can go ahead and then apply. Yeah, because not all employers are accredited to give you the accredited employer work visa. So you need to be vigilant, take your time, look through, and then select the right job. Okay, we'll go on to the next one. Next on my list is workandincome.gov.nz. So this one is actually owned by the government. It's the government website where they post jobs for New Zealand citizens, residents, and anyone who is outside of New Zealand still looking for a job. You must check that the employer is accredited to be able to give you the sponsorship you need. Yeah. So it mostly has jobs in administration, community roles, healthcare. Several jobs are available here. Let's have a look. So this is it. We have jobs, find a job, job search website. Okay, here to look for jobs. Okay, find a job. Now this is it. What are you looking for? So you can put in, we will search Wellington, and then I will leave it just to help us look for just random jobs which are out there. So 93 jobs came for Wellington. We've got a courier, we've got a delivery driver, urban bus driver, retail sales assistant. So just out of curiosity, let me have a look at this. Urban bus driver in Wellington. Okay, Lower Hutt is a full-time job. Now, what did they offer? Here, qualified driver rate, $32.10 per hour. Okay, 80 hours per fortnight. You have a rotation as well, 7 days. Your training will be paid. Okay, let's see. This company is an NZ company. Okay. They are looking for people who've got excellent communication skills, must pass a police vetting, correct? Must also pass a drug test. Okay. Yeah. Let's go down. If you're interested in the job, then the details are here. But always remember you can check if the employer is accredited. There is another one also called jobs.government.nz. Let's have a look and see what they do. Yeah, so this one helps you to find a job in public service, and you've got several roles available. You choose your keyword, you choose the location. Let's try okay, let's try the Southland. Let's see. Officer also available, registered nurse, court registry officer, all available. You can apply several filters in order to help you with your job search. Yeah. So it comes up with what they are looking for, who they are about, as in the company, and salary expectations, all there for you, and how to apply for the job. And as usual, you can always check if it's accredited. This is Ministry of Justice, so you can just have a look. Yeah. All right, that's it. There are also other private companies that also support in job search, like Hayes. You can also use their website. You can go search for jobs here. You can put in your details. You can register with them, and someone can get back to you. You can find the jobs on your own as well. The next site I would also recommend is Adeco. So Adeco is equally good. I've used them in the past. And if you want a job, you can also go there. I want a job. The location is available. You choose wherever you want to work, put in your job title. You can use a filter. So the filter helps you to select your contract type, to select the workload. What are you looking for? Full time, casual, it brings up category. You choose, are you an engineer? Do you want to work in healthcare, banking and finance, caretaking? So you have the option to choose industry, maybe in general, and then it could help narrow it down for you. In this case, I selected human health and social work activities, and then this one came. City, I have left it open because normally when you are coming here, you may not actually have a city in mind. You are just coming because of the job. So let's see, yeah, occupational therapist, several roles, psychologist, lead physiotherapist, yeah, several roles available which can be helpful. And the last one would be Randstad. It's a lovely agency. I have used them in the past, not the one here, but in UK in the past. So that is also equally good. You can register and have an account with them, look for the job, the location, and then you can always get somebody to contact you if you send in an email or you just give them a call. That should do. All right. I hope these websites have been helpful in your search for a job in New Zealand. Thank you for watching. Bye.